How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user profile on your Google Chrome browser so that you can store bookmarks and plugins independently from other users. Okay, here I am on Chrome, and all I'm going to do is go over to this little icon here that has a letter associated with the username. Go to Manage People. And then from here, you can select a user or click Add Person. You're going to want to click Add Person. Then you're going to choose the user that you want. It could be a name, or it could be a brand or a company name. I'm going to go for... You can choose an icon if you'd like. I'm just going to leave it to the default icon, which is this little cat. Click Add. And that's pretty much all there is to it. From this point on, they want you to sign in so that all of your bookmarks could be available everywhere you sign in on Chrome. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to click already a Chrome user because I already have an account. I'm just creating a new user for that account on this browser. Go ahead and put in your password. And you're going to want to click yes, turn on sync. Okay, great. So as you can see, when we clicked yes, I'm in, Chrome imported all of the bookmarks and the plugins that we had previously installed in this user in a different computer or in a different user account somewhere else. So it brought all those in, and that's why this is really cool to make different users. Now, if you want to swap between users, it's really easy. All you have to do is go to People, and here you go. So you go from one user to another user to another user. And again, keep in mind, all of these bookmarks are independent of each other. So you can add different bookmarks, change different bookmarks, create different folders, and that'll just be for that user. So that makes things really simple and keeps things clean. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found any of this helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Take care.